Here's a method for cleaning cars. What is it? The power drill method?
Massage gun.
There's a power drill method?
Yeah, you put some sort of
like a circle
sponge on a power drill, and it just gets in there.
Right,
You get a lot of
clever.
you get a lot of lather going. But I never saw the massage gun version.
This is a massage gun?
It is, yeah.
Oh, it's vibrating the sand.
Oh,
whoa, this is really cool.
very effective.
It kind of loosens everything up, and yeah, it just vibrates, and then
Is it?
Look
So
how
it's,
guy sucks it
nicely
up with
he's
a
able-
vacuum.
so it's completely dry, right?
Mm-hmm.
So there's no water involved right now.
No, I don't think so.
It's just agitating the sand buildup on the bottom of the car.
So that it bounces up into the air.
What I'm noticing is the attachment he used is like the 2-prong
Yes.
attachment. I mean, I'm sure this guy has tried all the different attachments, and this one is probably the most effective. If
Is
you're
it
gonna-
even called a massage gun?
Yeah.
Is it?
What do you mean?
I thought it was like something else.
Well,
like,
it's one of those really powerful ones.
like a muscle gun or something like that?
Yeah.
Well, there's a popular company I think it's called Theragun.
Theragun.
Yeah, like there's different names for it.
Right.
But you're not going to get this without having a really powerful one.
Yeah.
One of these ones. And as you can see, it loosens everything up. And the nice thing about this is if you hit that carpet with the water now, it's not all these little grains. It's not that granular type of scrub. You're just scrubbing carpet at that point. So this is a technique that the detailers are going to love. And it might even speed things up for people. Now, I don't know to what extent a good vacuum wouldn't get that stuff out anyway. But this is far more satisfying.
Definitely. Yeah. If you don't have drain plugs, I mean, this would be a great option.
Drain. We haven't heard about these drain plugs in a while.
Yeah.
We didn't hear about that in a while.
Will, did you add this story?
I did, yeah.
Yeah, okay.